So this is the outer French drain. Pretty much grassed over now. This is actually not an inlet, it's my emergency outlet when the thing freezes, if it freezes in the winter. But it does serve as an inlet, I guess. That's the swale or the river I dug to protect this part of the property in the berm. And the French drain is on this side. It's soft. I still have to fix my gutter that I nicked with the excavator. It continues on. Around here to the clean out. There's some berming here. This is all berm. The berm goes all the way around the property now. And in here there's an old swale. It's hard to see, but that's a swale right there, dug in. And then when I continued the swale on the other side of the berm here, I started, well, I didn't want to touch my neighbor's pine trees, so I started the excavator about right there. I made it go all the way down there and then built this berm. I'm probably going to cut those roots out eventually too. This would all be flooded normally. This whole lower corner here. Just like the video from the fall. Oh geez, there's a little water. I need 2 to 3 more yards of dirt in this corner here to stop that. I didn't have quite enough to do a complete grading job. It's been raining for 2 or 3 days straight here. It's finally at a break right now. I still haven't caught it during a heavy rain though. I'm going to do that eventually. The outer yard drain there is actually producing the most water.